Dive into the thrilling world of e-commerce, where creating your own online business is simpler than ever before. First, pinpoint your passion. Find a product or service with potential and analyze its viability in the marketplace. Next, choose your stage. Platforms like Shopify, Wix, WooCommerce, and Squarespace offer free plans to set up an online store. Now it's time to build. Craft a professional website that showcases your offerings. Customize your store, insert engaging product descriptions, and make your business shine. Don't forget about secure payments. Payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, and Square can provide secure transactions for your customers. Harness the power of social media and digital marketing. Engage with your audience, create compelling content, and optimize your website for search engines. Finally, use free online resources and monitor your performance. Tools like Google Analytics can give you insight into visitor behavior, demographics, and conversion rates. And just like that, you're on your way to e-commerce success.